What's the meaning of Bournemouth? Bournemouth. Bournemouth.
Bournemouth. Bournemouth. Bournemouth is a seaside resort town located on the south coast of England. The name Bournemouth comes from the Old English word Burnham, which means stream valley. The town has a rich history dating back to the early 19th century when it was established as a health resort for its mild climate and healing properties. Today, Bournemouth is known for its long sandy beaches, elegant Victorian architecture, and vibrant nightlife. It is also a popular destination for water sports enthusiasts, with surfing, paddleboarding, and kayaking being popular activities. Overall, Bournemouth is a charming town with a unique mix of history, culture, and natural beauty.